two kittens went to the amusement park and bought tickets to the water park to play.
Come play with your friends there.
The two kittens had so much fun playing in the water park and started excitedly playing on the water swing.
Oh my God!
Rescue workers were very alarmed when the kitten fell and quickly called an ambulance.
God bless the kitten to get well.
Wow! The kind doctors tried their best to treat the poor kitten.